Thank you, Madam Chair. Dr. Abernathy, am I saying that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We all know that the precision medicines are typically incredibly expensive. Can you speak to why these drugs have such a high price tag?
Thank you for your question, sir. While I'm not an expert in drug pricing or cost, I think that one of the critical issues as we think about personalized healthcare and precision medicine is that there's important investment in biology, in clinical development, in moving through the regulatory expectations, and also importance of ultimately developing interventions that are oftentimes for smaller and smaller populations, which may ultimately get reflected in the context of price. But practically speaking, I hope towards a landscape where innovation across this space is going to increase the availability of precision medicine for all.
Thank you. I agree with that too. In your testimony, you highlighted that your company has payment structures that are based on patients' outcomes. Can you speak of the importance of this innovative payment structure that you guys have?
I'm not specifically sure exactly which payment structures to which you're referring. I think one of the things that I've thought a lot about and been considering in the future is the availability of data and the same data sets and processes that we use for clinical trials and clinical studies, the ability to interrelate patient treatment and outcome to help inform, for example, outcomes-based pricing in the future, where we can interrelate the performance of an intervention to then the ability to think about how to pay for value across time.
Right. I believe in your written testimony, you said that you've only been able to use these payment structures in limited circumstances. Am I correct on that?
I think this was more generally from a policy perspective, the ability to use these kinds of interventions rather than specifically for our company.
Well, you know, I'm part of the Innovation Caucus and co-chair that, and we're always looking for ways to incentivize the medical industry to look at new directions, new ways, instead of us just trying to fit everything in the same donut that we've always done business in. Let's figure out a way to go around that, and the payment structure is one of them. You know, there's in anything we do in life, be it get an attorney or call a service company, the payment is based upon the outcome. In most cases, it's based upon, did you complete the job or did you not? Did it work? Did the product you installed, did it work? It's anything with our mechanics that work on our vehicles. And if we can look at a new payment model and tie it to the patient's outcomes, that's something for us to look into. And as we're looking through innovation, I think we got to look at the payment structure too. And so as we move forward, hope we can have more of these conversations. Madam Chair, with that, I'll yield back and thank you for having this hearing.